Okay, guys, today's the second week of our internship. So the first week was, last time we discussed, it was more like a preparation, like making sure that everyone has the application up and running, that you have Jira set up, and you have GitHub repository with Netlify integration. And yeah, this week should be a pretty quick one, guys. As I mentioned, our Tuesday classes will be mostly about you guys. You're doing the demo, and if you have some questions, we will discuss some blockers, etc. So yeah, usually what we do is we do kind of stand up, but more like they'll be like tech leads and usually the PMs as well. They do share their screen and they share what they've been doing, like each team member, and we can go from there. And yeah, we will discuss if there are any questions or some blockers after that. If that sounds good. Okay. So for this week, I believe Nursultan and Kai was the tech lead and the PM. So why don't we start? Kai, if you're here.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, first of all, we so yeah, is it team lead, right? Team lead or tech lead? So I created on this based on this tasks here. Create Jira, invite team members, and create epic and child stories. I migrated all the tickets from your previous template to our Jira, created Jira. And so this created this 4 epics for different sprints. And inside the epics, we had this three stories. And inside some have inside subtasks created. And I also additionally added one more story with subtasks and assigned every team member to the ticket just to so start learning and practicing using Jira, and we're getting more skills, so practical skills on Jira and on working so in a team. So what we did, so I created this additional, what is this? So additional, it's a Jira ticket, those so which we copied from the template. And what first for the team members, it was a task to get this so you have to make a clone of GitHub repository, which was created by Nursultan. I think he's not here right now. He will be. So he wrote that he will delete. And then so clone this internship repo, install and use Node version 16, which we need for this project. And so create a branch based on this repository and do push and create pull request. And yeah, do the whole cycle of this. So push this and merge it to the main repo, and try to communicate using the channel the Slack. And yeah, this was the first task, and another task, second and third, just to watch that agile video and Jira related video. So you shared with documentation, and yeah, everybody did great job. So we have the only. So yeah, we will work after this class with Karina to make sure that I think she got the wrong repo. And yeah, we will. But everybody is done, so everybody was able to install, so clone and install the node versions and push the their branches changes to it. So on that, based on that, yeah, we are done with open up the sprint stories here. So yeah, we are done with setup GitHub repo. So yeah, Nursultan did it, created, and everybody did local. So everybody made sure that we have local, local copies of that. And then the next, I think I also added this. So Jira related ticket. So story here, I created this Jira account, and everybody is in Jira and have assigned and done the tickets. And then so this one is Netlify up and running. So Netlify was created by Nursultan, but so we had some issues, and I think I fixed it, and we also with Nursultan changed the version. What is that? Node version on Netlify. And after, so yeah, we did that version change on Node in Netlify and some updates on the code, and it worked fine. So now we have this Netlify here. We have up and running Netlify, and we have so done all this with tickets. So all the stories for this sprint. And yeah, everybody did a good job. So participating on the stand-up. And I think I hope I get some experience skills during this first sprint. So looks like everybody is ready for the next coding part. And so regarding the report, because Nursultan is not here yet, I can show repo part too. So what we did, okay, so what as a team lead, what I did, so I created this internship channel, and everybody is in this internship channel. And here we have these quick links in the channel. So to Jira, GitHub repo, and Netlify, and some more so documents shared by you, links. So I'm going to open GitHub repo here. So this is our group, so internship GitHub repository, and so far we had we added everybody as a contributors, I believe. So yeah, we're only missing Julius Beck for now. He didn't add up his account, so we will add it as soon as he will share his account. So what we did, so during this week we did practice with pull requests. So now we don't have any open pull requests. So but these all the closed pull requests, and so everybody pushed, and we tried to merge the updates by creating the so feature branches. So and yeah.
How did you close them? By the way.
So which one?
You closed the pull request. How you do it? I didn't find this feature.
Oh yeah, it's closed in here. Yeah, closed.
No, I mean that you have the pull request and how you close it. I closed it once, but
okay. I think so. But yeah, when you do this, so when you, for example, so when other developers done with peer review, put this put these approvals, and
Mhm.
you just need to click this merge, and it's gonna close it
Oh,
automatically.
okay, got it.
Mhm.
But the only thing what I had here today, it was some conflicts because we were changing only one file. Everybody. Oh, okay. Now I'm seeing one pull request from Karina. Okay, this is open pull request. So guys, you can go and do. Oh, maybe yeah, we can do it now. So together. So this is peer review. So we have only one. Okay, yeah, so it doesn't have any conflicts here with a base branch. So what we are doing, so file change, and we are seeing that, oh, okay, Zarina edit somewhere in okay, Zarina, you edit in the beginning here, we have to expect to edit in the end somewhere, maybe. Okay, yeah, let me look at
Yeah,
that.
I think it was different file, or
This,
you're adding to the README.
oh, okay, looks like it was different.
You mean
Let me-
Karina or Zarina? Sorry.
Oh, sorry, Karina.
Oh, okay.
Did I say Zarina?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I
Yeah, you did.
thought
Sorry.
maybe I did some mistake. Okay.
Oh yeah, so Karina, yeah, we had all the names here. So I'm seeing
Oh,
this name.
okay. I'll add it there. Sorry.
So it should be in the end somewhere. Yeah. So yeah, let me. So yeah, I can show, for example, how to do. Yeah, because we were. So if you see anything kind of wrong or so something is not right, so on your view, so you can do this review, right, guys? So you can click on the review and do the request change. Okay.
Yeah.
And click on the request change, and so in this case you are not approving it, but you are sending back kind of a request. So Karina, please put your name in the end of the file, right? And we can do is do submit review. And in this case, so Karina needs to go back to her the branch, right? And so do the changes and create pull request again or open pull request again. I don't remember.
No, she doesn't have to create another pull request.
It's
Karina,
gonna be
you can
same,
just yeah, you can just on your branch, which is edit readme 39. No, agile practice can 39. You can just on your local branch, just put your name on the bottom and just push it. That's it. You don't have to create a new pull request.
Oh, okay, and then push it, right?
Yeah, she can just commit locally and just push it. That's it.
Okay, yeah, you can do it. So yeah, in case you are guys seeing, so yeah, you can do this kind of. So go to file change and do review.
But this push is gonna appear in a current pull request.
Yes, it will.
Can you do that, Karina?
Yeah, she has done already, I believe. You see, there's a refresh button.
Oh, commit,
Can you...
new commit.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go back now to the changes. Oh, okay,
yeah, good.
And now we can
approve.
Do comment and looks good.
Yeah, you can also click on approve. Okay, not comment but approve.
Oh,
yeah, it will do
yes.
like comment and approve.
Oh, okay.
All at once. Yeah.
Okay. So submit.
Good.
Now you don't have any content. Now, Karina, you can go ahead and merge. So your code.
Cool.
Well,
do you
it's
know, guys?
Appearing gray, but when you press it, you can merge it.
Yeah, it is possible to merge, but yeah, I want to. Karina. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So Karina did merge, and now yeah, we have this purple. Purple means it merged. Now we have this, and now everybody, guys, you can do go your. So yeah, go to your, for example, local here. And then, so let me close it. And we just to make sure that we are on our main. So make sure that we are on the main. Now we can do git pull. So yeah, make to do the git pull. Now I can see the latest here, right?
Yep.
Karina,
Good.
Yara, it's here. Now it's so I have the latest so repository. So yeah, so latest updates on my repository. So and if I need to work on a new ticket, now I can create a new branch from here. Yep, that's so yeah, this is so what we practiced during this week. And yeah, now so I can officially close this ticket here. And so Nursultan, you so do you have anything to add? Yeah, I shared information about Nursultan, but you can
No.
share your part there, what you share what you've
I
done.
think no. But I don't know about IPRE. I didn't add her GitHub to the repo. She's a new girl.
Yeah, we didn't have any instructions on. So Karin, I'm going to change your ticket to done. Yeah.
Thank
And now we can open up this ticket and yeah, we officially completed all the stories for our. It's not opening.
You can try drag and drop. Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Oh, it's not opening. Oh, it's not moving. Yeah, just refresh the page, I think.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Done.
it's good. Yeah, let's close this sprint then.
We are done. It's complete.
Yes.
Okay, complete sprint and complete sprint.
Yay, congratulations, congratulations, guys. Good.
Congratulations, you officially completed your
Yeah.
first sprint. Good job.
Good.
Yep.
The backlog. Kai, can you refresh this page, please?
This one?
Yeah. Yes. See why this in the backlog there's a sprint one it's still open? I don't know. Oh yeah. That now looks good, sorry. Yeah, so here, guys, now you see on the top there's a sprint 2 already opened, right? So you can just plan now, like move this backlog into that current sprint, which is 2, and then you can start it. Yeah, so the second sprint was about the sign in, sign up stuff, I believe. So making sure everything looks good. Yeah.
So can I drag and drop here?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stories, right?
And I believe some of them have some child tickets as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one as well. Good.
Okay.
Yeah, we can start.
It's gonna be 1 week or 2 weeks?
Let me see. It depends on the team velocity, I would say. Like the way people usually measure the velocity is using some numbers, guys, and based on the team's history, like usually what do they do in the software companies? When they start the sprint, they sit down and each developer gives some estimation, like for example, here we see the first ticket, modify sign up page. So before starting the sprint, each developer opens it and tries to get some idea how to do that. And based on that conclusion, they give some numbers. And these numbers are usually some Fibonacci numbers, like they can say 1, 3, 5, for example, 8, you know. And based on the higher number, the longer it takes. Like for example, usually when you give 5 score to one ticket, it usually means around 1 week of work, you know. And 2 or 3 means like half day, maybe a couple hours, you know. And 8 weeks, usually like 2 sprints, something like that. And yeah, for this sprint, I would say maybe we can start with 2 weeks. Yeah, let's give it 2 weeks. And also we'll see, guys, like if you finish it early, if you are kind of, if you don't have any tickets, like you can always discuss with your team and take something from the backlog. You know, that's totally fine. Okay, sometimes you this kind of stuff happens, and that's okay. Yeah, so the start date will be, I think, today. Yeah, that's good.
And date is automatically.
Mhm. Yeah, there will be like sign in, sign up, and dashboard. You have to.
Feature, right?
So if you check it, guys, there's already like sign in, sign up pages, flows, you know. So as I mentioned in the beginning, do you remember, guys, our goal in this internship is not to build something from scratch, you know. Our goal is to work on some legacy code, you know, work on some big projects and learn how to communicate with team members. You know, that's the main thing we are trying to achieve. Yeah, that's good. And you can say sign in, sign up, and the dashboard feature. So it's cool. Cool, yeah. So let's start it. Yes, that's good. So now, guys, you can discuss in the team and decide who is going to work on what. And yeah.
Yeah, guys, maybe you can go ahead and read every ticket. If you have questions, maybe we can clarify with while say this here.
Let's do it
Yeah,
together. Why we need to do the separate?
Yeah, that's good. So we can actually also clarify some questions here. Maybe let's start with the first one. All these tickets should be pretty straightforward, I believe. So it shouldn't be, yeah. So just to clarify some questions, maybe if you have, yeah, let's quickly do that actually.
Okay.
Good.
Loading so slow.
Modify sign-in page and it doesn't have anything.
Oh, really? Let me check the Satek account. I think maybe when we cloned it, maybe we forgot. Let me check. There should have been some description at least. Which is weird. Let's see.
Oh,
Yeah, maybe I'm not sure. Maybe I missed something. So
Yeah, I'm just checking. Okay. Sign in.
New user should be able to sign up, register up. Okay, so means here new user sign up means so when we go up here, this register function, right? When you click register, new user should be able to add name, email, password, and new passwords, confirm, and when click register, should be created. So in this case, which database can we verify this?
Yeah, so that's what I'm checking. Yeah, so for the database, we will be using so-called the Firebase.
Firebase.
Yeah, so it's a special, let's say, database from the Google. So first we have to configure it.
Oh, okay, we have to
Um,
create right first.
Yes, exactly. The same way you guys created the Netlify kinda. So we have to create. Someone should go to the Firebase and create a new project here. You see, there's a subtask for that already.
Okay, learn about. Okay, guys, here. Learn
Mhm.
about.
Yeah, meanwhile, let me check out that sign-in details,
Okay, yeah.
like the ticket descriptions, I mean. Otherwise, it's empty at the moment, which is not good. Okay, where is
I
it?
can create the project if you want. Or you can do it, Kai.
Okay. Yes. Oh, yeah. So yeah, I didn't forget. So Lavinia shared. What is that? GitHub app with to install it to Jira. But so since I'm not owner of that GitHub account, it didn't allow me. But yeah, can you, so Nursultan, can you check with
What?
the link and try log in to go to Jira and try to install GitHub app to Jira.
What do you mean? Where is it?
Yeah. So yeah, later on.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just giving her that. So Lavinia, she can send you the link to.
Hey guys,
Oh,
I think if you guys go to development on the left side of the screen, where it's saying timeline, backing, yes, over there, it says development. And where is code over there? Code?
Code.
Yes. Yes. So you
Oh,
see
connect to
GitHub
the
Connect,
GitHub.
yes, over
Okay.
there.
No problem.
So I cannot do it, but yeah, Zian Sultan, can you go ahead and do this? So try to connect it. I'm not sure because you are not. So I created Jira, you created GitHub, and yeah, I don't know how it's going.
yeah, you have to configure it, guys. So you see here, so this is the link. Use issues keys to link. I think you need to generate some key on the GitHub and paste it in Jira somewhere.
But yeah, this was my
Oh, okay. It's Sultan has created, yeah.
Sultan's, and that's why I think yeah, it was. Yeah, I didn't have access to this repo. Okay, yeah, okay, we can.
Yeah, Kai, sorry, I just checked the CTEC Jira and for the sign-in at least. So there's some detail. So it looks like you forgot to copy it here. Maybe we can do that now quickly.
Yeah, I was thinking
Mhm.
about that. Somebody needs help me to check, but I forgot to ask it. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, to do QA.
Okay.
Okay, so can you send that right here? So
Yeah, there's some picture as well. Like, do you have some other browser? Maybe you can log in from there and then just copy and paste. Like, do you have a Safari open somewhere?
yeah, I have another browser, but I need to find out this.
Yeah, just click on that internship doc, the Google Doc. Yes. There should be there should be credentials on the top.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, here. Or on the bottom, sorry. Yes.
Yeah, I'm just going to create the Oh, okay. This
Mhm.
one.
Yeah, there are a lot of tickets, but thank you, Kai, for doing this hard work,
It was a lot.
especially for the week one. It required some really a lot of copy and paste.
Okay, I'm going to do it.
Yes. Mhm.
What did I do to- Copying of this attachment is. Oh, I remember this unknown file, but no.
Yeah, I can tell you how you can copy the picture. Guys, can you open that incognito window?
Yeah, it's here.
Yeah, can you click on that picture?
This copy image.
No, if you copy that, it will be like small, like, you know, yeah, you have to click on that image. It's not opening. Oh, okay. Yeah, now you just right click and copy image.
Okay, copy image. Now, just put it here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that was good. Because I was downloading and putting it again. Okay,
No.
which is much easier. Yeah, maybe I didn't save it. No, I remember I was copying this guy. Okay,
Mhm.
so let me check now quickly with others. Make sure that we have everything. So for this signing, my computer is slow. 17. Okay, we have this modify sign in page description here. It's the same as, okay, now let me go next just to check it. What is that? Okay. It easier view. So here,
Mhm.
sign up. Okay.
Yeah, this one is this description only should be good. So this ticket just to verify that you're able to sign up.
Fine.
Yeah, and yeah, this
Subtitle.
ticket is here, guys. You have to add some validation. Yeah, if you open that image, okay, for example. Mm-hmm. Yeah, here, see the display name, email, passport, and the confirmation. They're all kind of required. You see, this the asterisk. And, yeah, so you have to make sure there's the validation on the front end.
Okay,
So
for example, it means when we are adding email, it should have this @ sign and this. So
yes,
email.
exactly.
Okay. And
And also, if you don't provide anything, this register button should be still like kind of disabled. And if you and everything looks good, the register button should be enabled. Yeah.
okay.
Mhm.
But if it's not, it's invalid. This should be disabled, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Then this is good. Validations.
Mm-hmm. And this remove other sign in. So currently, if you open the sign up page, there are like multiple options. You can sign in. You know, like yeah, for example, you see JWT, Firebase, Auth0. Yeah, so we'll be using this Firebase, like the guy in the middle. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So your task will be here. You just basically remove everything. Just yeah. So I think there are
Okay,
the
it's here.
two. Oh, okay, there's an image. You can also actually remove this Firebase as well. You don't really need to display this Firebase, you know.
Okay. Maybe I can add the just remove some other sign methods. So maybe I can.
Yeah, you can just edit the description quickly. So yeah, you can say remove all.
Should only based on oops. Should only based on Firebase. Is above login does not have function. Should only based on remove Firebase 2, right? Some small. It should be.
Yeah, it should be
Cool.
good. Yeah, you just guys remove these images, like the icon stuff, you know. And if you go next, guy, like for example, connect to Firebase, yes. This guy, I would encourage you guys to check out these child tickets as well, like learn about Firebase, and yeah, so like what it's used, for example, this Firebase actually it's a quite powerful tool, you know, guys. It's and many people use it to, for example, on their registration pages, like big companies as well, they use it. Okay, so this Firebase, they just basically provide some endpoints, you know, which you can use to create the users, to authorize the users, for example. Also, there's a database also as well, right? So on the Firebase, you can, for example, create records, right? Any kind of records, and then you can use it as an API. And also, yeah, like there are a bunch of use cases actually, guys. If you're curious, you can read and watch some stuff on that as well. But yeah, your main task here will be, as you can see, one of you guys have to create a project in the Firebase. And once you create a project, you'll get some keys, you know, like project key and 3 keys basically. And you have to copy that into the our project and verify that it works. And here, see, check that Firebase is connected, and there are no Firebase errors in the console. Okay.
And this is the last one.
Yeah, this one will be like the last one. It's yeah, if you scroll down. Yeah, so here's the image, how it should look. Yeah, this is some mockup, guys. If you wish, you can change the layout if you want to. But there's an endpoint on the API which basically gives you these numbers. Like, for example, how many issues are open, how many overdue, how many vehicles are there, active, archived, you know. So this is mockup for you guys. If you wish, you can change it. The layout, I mean, but
I'm talking right,
Mhm.
this, right?
Yes, the content, the main content, that's it. That's what you have to add. Yeah, basically, how many 1, 2, 3 cards with some information inside, right? Yeah, and in the ticket, I have provided the API that you have to use. right? Can you close it? Yes, this is the endpoint that you have to use.
Oh, okay. So means this all the data is coming from this API, right?
Yes, exactly.
So what we're gonna use it Firebase for?
Yeah, so Firebase is we will be using only for authorization, only like register and you know
Okay, so in
sign in
Firebase,
stuff.
so we need to create this database, right? Small database where login username.
No. Yeah. Sorry. Yes.
To save that information when the people are registering, right?
Yes.
Okay. But all the rest of the data are coming from this API. So okay. So feature data. Okay. So my only question is, so we have a big team, but we have only, I don't know, 6 tickets. So how it's going to be a little bit complicated, challenging to assign. So yeah, it would be nice to have everybody have at least 1 ticket to work on. But
Yeah.
is what we're gonna do on this.
Yeah, you can. I would suggest you can just assign 1 ticket per each, and for example, implement the dashboard. Maybe two of your team members can work maybe on this ticket. You know.
Mhm.
But otherwise, this modifying the sign-in page, sign-up page, and adding some validation, removing some stuff, and connecting the Firebase, and implementing the dashboard. So as I mentioned, we will be going with 2 sprints, but I believe, guys, if you do the same way you did in sprint 1, you should be able to finish within 1 sprint. I think so. But we will see, guys. No pressure on that.
Is it so say just to clarify, yeah, just to make sure that everybody have the same kind of experience, for example, to have the 1 ticket assigned to the person. So can, for example, inside the sign-in page, for example, right? So can we so add more subtasks in case we see we can divide it into 2, I don't know.
Yeah,
2
that's totally
subtasks,
fine.
and in that case, so we have this 1 story, but we can assign 1 part to 1 person and another part to another person, and they can work together in 1 story, but they will have separated tickets, right, to work on.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in some tickets as well, Kai, there some subtasks as well, right? Already, I mean.
Yep, in some. Yeah, okay. So yeah, we need to read this and then to try to, and maybe so everybody can look through the stories and then read, and yeah, we can identify who wants to take which ticket.
Yeah, guys, if you want to work on some specific part, you can raise your hands. There is no like, it's not like boss and employee, right? Like you do this. Like if you want to work on something, you just say that, hey, I want to work on that, and that's good. That's totally fine. Yeah.
So yeah, guys, look at.
Yeah, for example, if you want to connect, like set up the Firebase, you can do that. Yeah. So it's totally up to you guys.
Let's make it like a roulette randomly. It's gonna be more fun.
No, I think we can group based on, for example, this ticket is API related, right? So this implement. So who wants to work on this part? API related. So
display the information, Azmat. Oh, Kai.
What
I
is your
can work
question?
on.
So read this, and then
Actually,
yeah. So you have to read this acceptance criteria. So maybe we can read it together. So is it okay? To do it?
Yeah. Let's read it first and then assign. I think.
Okay. Let's Victor. Can you start reading this first part?
Kai, you can just give it to me. I don't know anything about all the tickets, but I figure out no worries. You can just give me any ticket.
No. Yeah, we are now planning. So we are trying to identify what to do in each ticket, and everybody in the team should know about
Okay,
everything.
this is related to API and display all information, right? From API to our dashboard. I can. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, let's.
I can-
Yeah, let's. Can you read this first part, Victor?
Okay, as a manager, I need the dashboard to monitor and track the status of my fleet of vehicles, drivers, and issues. The dashboard should provide me with a quick overview of the number of open and overdue issues. I don't. Okay, so just I don't understand what I'm reading. Just yeah, just in case. I'm just
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
So in general, I think I understood. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, I can work with API. I'm not gonna say that it's easy, but it's interesting.
We also want other people. So
Yeah,
try to.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm not good at reading, and yeah. Yes,
Yeah, that's totally fine, guys. We don't have to read every word in this ticket, but the main idea is basically use this API endpoint and just display this
So you said
cards.
that, yeah, I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sorry. Yeah, you said that we don't have like enough tickets, right, for all our. So which one is more like bigger or it's more difficult?
Let's assign the biggest ticket to Victor.
It's not biggest. You can just
Yeah.
you just need to display the data.
Can I also work on this ticket?
The idea, I mean, if you have like the big, we need to divide the ticket. I mean, like we need to give it to two.
No, I mean overall you just need to display the data above on the bottom. You see that numbers in the cards. That's all.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I like it. You can just give it to me, or if if somebody guys you wanna do that with me, yeah, we can do it together. But it will be
Karina wants.
a little bit difficult with finding the
Karina
time.
with K, not C. No. I
Uh,
think it's K.
Let's see.
Karina starts with K, not C.
No, it's fine. It starts with C.
Oh, why do you have the Karina with K?
It's only on Zoom. It's like I
Oh.
don't know.
Okay.
Okay. Me and
Okay. Now I can add these names here. And who is next? Which feature? So
sorry, Kai, can I ask Said something? Said? Yeah, you said that
Yes.
I'm not gonna use the Redux in this project, but in our code, I saw like a lot of stores that was Redux, but I don't know how to use the Redux yet. Really good. So do we need to use Redux or we can?
Yeah, ideally we should use Redux.
It will.
Yeah, but that's Vector, that's fine. Like we are all learning, right? So I will also today I will try to show you guys like overview how we will be using Redux in our project. Yeah. So it will be kind of a starting point for you guys. You can
modify sign-in page.
Can I take this one with Lavinia together?
Together? Okay. So this is modified.
Or is it too small? Yeah.
So cargo fleet. So Said, do you think it's is it a big ticket or small ticket?
No, it's I think what is the login page in this way? I think this one is more like updating the view, right? It's not about sign-in functionality, I believe. So yeah, that's why I think one person can work, but second person is also good. I don't see any
Second person
issues.
can click on this sign up, for example, maybe so one can take sign
Yeah,
in,
maybe.
sign up, and you can do work together on this.
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, then I
Yeah,
can.
let's assign the first one to Zarina then, and then the second one.
I will take the validation.
Okay, that sounds like a plan. Yeah, unfortunately in Jira there's no way you can assign ticket to multiple people.
One person, yeah.
Yeah, you can only assign to one person, unfortunately.
Okay, I can, for example, this one assign to Zarina and another one to Lavinia, and you can. Yeah, of course everybody can. So we can do, I don't know, group sessions if you need, because yeah, we wanna do see, right? Or maybe after you're done, guys, you can show how you did kind of a demo.
Yes,
demo
exactly.
of your.
Yeah, ideally, guys, hopefully from the next sprint, when we do this class on the Friday, right? So ideally, I would expect each teammate like do a small demo on their own if they want to. Like maybe there were some challenging days, part they did, if you want to show, that's totally fine. Okay. Yeah, this one also, let's assign this one.
This ticket going to be dependent on Firebase, right?
Oh, yeah. So this one.
One is
yeah.
So yeah, I okay, so yeah, regarding the Firebase, I wanted to take that ticket. So somebody, so if you want, can join. So just to make sure that I have this access here, and I can take that Firebase related ticket, guys. So and this ticket is going to depend on that Firebase when we create Firebase.
You can also, Kai, you can mention that, like, you see. So can you? No, not here. Can you click on add child issue? I believe. You can like link a ticket and say that this ticket is kind of blocked by that ticket,
Okay,
Oh,
link,
no,
right?
this one. Yeah, I think link one. Yeah, this guy, I think. Oh, can you click on link issues? Yes, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, see,
This
and no,
this
not
is,
that one. Yeah, this one. Yes. Here you can say is blocked
it's
by.
gonna be Firebase. Where is it? Yeah, set up. Connect to Firebase. This one, right? The spelling.
Yes, good.
And now link.
Good. Yes.
Yep.
Said, so we got one second. I'm gonna work with Karina. So do we need to work in one branch or how? I can't really imagine. How do we need to work?
Oh, yeah, that's a good question. So it depends, guys. Like maybe it depends on how you split the work, maybe. So maybe one of you guys can work on the UI and the second one work on the actual implementation, I would say, like the API stuff, fetching the stuff from the API, and yeah, like creating a separate branch.
Oh, I think it will be really difficult.
Yeah, it will be a bit difficult, but yeah.
All right, we'll talk. Okay.
Yes, I would say like, guys, one of you can start like creating these cards on the UI. And once you're done, you just create a pull request and merge it. And the second one can start working on the actual implementation.
We have this. Oh, okay. We have this add validations to sign up page, and this is related to this one. Sign up. Not only sign in.
What's the difference between sign up and validation? I mean, I think just one ticket.
Yeah,
overall.
I think the difference was the modified sign up page. Kai, can you open currently the Netlify application? Can you go to the Netlify? Yes.
it was fully working. I
Yes.
tried to register and I don't know.
Here, yeah, here, you see, that add validation stuff is basically to on these input fields, right? And modify, we can just like change the logo, remove the same like icons on the top, you know, like
Yeah, we have to
KWT and stuff.
yeah, maybe.
But validation is already implemented, I think. The password.
Like
Wait, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Do we need to create a new one or just modify this one?
This one, modify this one. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't have to create anything, guys. Don't have to create anything. So I mentioned there's already pages for that, and we have to modify it. Yeah, here, why?
I mean, you have validation already.
Short, too short.
Within the components.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, can you enter some valid email? Okay. Let's see if it works.
No, okay. This is not.
I mean, the password should match.
Oh, password should match. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Register.
Okay, good. So, and if you can you remove test, for example, the display name should be split. Okay, that's good. Actually, it's already implemented then, I believe.
Yeah, but
Yeah, can you enter something and try to register? Yeah, I think Nursultan, you mentioned that it's already working, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And sign
You see,
out
it's-
too, I think.
Yeah,
And
it's
sign
working,
in.
but it's kind of connected to a different file base. Our task will be to reconfigure it, you know.
I got it.
So to our own Firebase account.
But validation is okay.
Yeah, but right now
Yeah.
it's not saved, right? It's not. I don't know. It's
Yes.
not.
I think it's something different. Yeah, I think your display name was something different. Yeah, can you sign out? Let's see. Okay.
Oh, I don't remember. Test.com, something like that, and test 1, 2, 3, 4 to log in. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, it's saved somewhere. It's saving it somewhere because yeah, I have the same.
Yes.
Yeah, I think
Which
somebody's account connected to this project.
Then so we have to break that account and change it.
Yeah, you just reconfigure the Firebase with an app.
Yes,
It will give you
exactly.
everything. Yeah, and you will have the database with users.
But
See, guys.
in this case, said we can we I don't know add up some new to make up some new stories to do these changes in case we see we can do some improvements on these features, for example.
What kind of changes you mean?
Yes, I don't know. Yeah, so I don't know right now, but to put this, I don't know. What is that? Log out. Something here, for example, or
Said, how does it get the location of the wizard?
When you register, for example, now it's requiring 8, for example, to make it 10 and something.
Oh,
like
yeah.
For
That's
example,
good call out.
And it's it's just kind of to add the additional validation here because it's working already. But what we can do, we can add some, so we cannot do anything to email, but at least to here, to password. For example, now it's requiring 8 characters minimum, but we can do, I don't know, 10 characters and do, do at least one. Now I edit. I don't know, I can show. So I added only the lowercase, but to add at least one uppercase, something like that.
Yes, that's good. I like it. Right? Yeah, let's do that. I would also maybe add some icon if you can, like which when you click it, and it will reveal the password, you know, on that field.
So maybe to make it sure to when you click to show password for them.
Yes, instead of that key, like key lock, you can put that eye icon maybe, and if you click it, it will show the password.
To reveal password.
Yeah, let's add this guy. Can you open the ticket?
What is that? Okay.
Mm-hmm. And in the add validations to sign up page, I believe. Yeah, let's add it.
Replace field. Okay.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
Fuse logo with cargo fleet. Remove Firebase logo. Okay, it's here, but this is not page.
Oh yeah. So I looks like this description. Let's do this, okay. So for the modify sign up page, can you go to the description and say we have to remove this stuff? Can you make some bullet points here? So let's say yeah, remove the logo and remove the sign in pages or sign in links. Yeah, here say
So what to write?
yeah, remove yeah, if you go to that, can you go to the Netlify page on the next tab? Yes, here. And let's go. Yeah, this is the register, right? So here on the top, we don't want this logo, right? So here we want to use our logo and also mention cargo fleet. And also we want to remove this Firebase auth, like these three icons with some text. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Modify sign up page. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, remove
icons, all icons, right?
yes, let's remove all icons and replace the icon.
Instead,
Remove.
So instead of React icon, right?
Yeah, let's do that.
Cargo fleet icon. No.
Also, yes, and also, can you go to that register page? Okay. Yes, you see on the right. Yes, you welcome to the Fuse React. Let's also change the title and maybe add some small description underneath. Okay. Yeah.
Change title to welcome to lead. Then the description
here. Yeah, for the description, let me give you quickly. Yeah, let's add this one. Shouldn't be over the chat. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's add this instead of that. And yes, this should be good now. Click save. And whoever works on this, Lavina, so you can find this cargo fleet icon in this sign-in page. There was a link on that page. Kai, can you click on that sign-in page ticket? No. Sign-in page ticket.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sorry. Yes, go here. Yes. Yes, you see on the bottom I shared this link. No.
Oh, okay, not here.
Close this. Yeah, not here. You see on the bottom. Yes, here. Yes. This link. If you open this link, you should get a cargo fleet icon. I hope. I hope it's still working. Yes, good. Yeah, guys, let's use this icon instead. Cool. And okay, you can even copy and let's paste that in the sign up page. Get them.
Instead of we are cargo.
Let's click save and for that add validation page, let's
Okay. Clicked.
good.
Add
Yeah, guys, I think Zarin and Lavinia, you should be good, guys. So there's a good stuff for you. So let's go here. Yes, sign up and here remove that.
I thought, sorry, I missed this part.
Yes, the
17.
17 and 18 ticket.
Okay. 17 and 18.
Here, Kaya, let's remove that bullet points on the bottom and let's add change the password length to 10 and also let's add that functionality which reveals and hides the password. Change the password.
Password validations, right? Okay, change password.
To maximum 10 characters.
Okay.
And yes, also let's also do this one uppercase, one lowercase, and some character plus some digit, like.
One uppercase. This one lowercase, right? And then
That's good. At least one number. And at least one like sorry?
Special card, that special.
Yes, exactly.
Symbol. Okay, yeah, this is good. Yep.
This is good. And also let's add the second point. Remember about the icon.
What was second
Yeah,
point?
let's add the second point. Yeah, can you click enter one more time? Yes, here, let's say for the password validation, add icon.
Oh, okay, validation.
Yeah.
Add icon.
Show and hide password.
Show hide password. Okay. Show and hide. Yeah.
Yeah, looks good. We can actually add this to later to the sign-in page as well. Yeah.
Okay. This is it, right? So password.
Yes, this is good.
So yeah, this is good. Ticket.
Yes,
Okay,
who's gonna work on that?
I don't know. So
I can take it.
Okay. So it's okay. It's here. Oh no.
Kai wanted actually, yeah.
Yeah, this is good ticket.
Not really
Okay.
good. It's pretty much simple.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So most of
And
the time we have next remove sign-in methods. Yeah, okay. This is removal of this all icons right here. Oh no.
yeah. Oh, can you click on modify sign-in page?
Yeah, we already had it to modify.
No, can you click on that? Let's see if it's actually there.
Oh, okay. This is modify sign-in. This is only the icon.
Yeah, this one is
replacement.
icon only, yeah.
Oh, okay. This one is only related to icons, Arena. So you need to change only fuse react icon to this cargo icon.
Okay.
And this one is
Logo,
going,
yeah.
and this one,
Logo, yes.
second is kind of removing all the logos from here, remove Firebase logo too here. So, right?
Yeah, also on the right, that let's change the title and the description the same way we did for the sign up page.
So can you say it again? So change what?
Yes, Kai, on the right, you see there's a title, right? Welcome to the React, I think. Yeah, let's change it to welcome to Cargo Fleet and add that description, the same description we added for the sign up page. Yes. Yeah, this one I mean.
But yeah, this is going to be then kind of so similar, this sign-in page, maybe.
Yeah, they're similar, but I think they are in two different components. So yeah, but you can copy these two bullets and paste it.
Oh, look, so we have
the
removed
sign.
all icons here on this ticket.
No, but this is for the sign up
that's
page.
sign up. Yeah, I got it. That's
Okay.
right. Here, this is signing. So these two, right?
Yes, these two.
And we are so copying this, but isn't it? Is it should be different components for sign in and sign up? Was this welcome title and description?
Yeah, that's good thing. Maybe we can improve it, like a shared component.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, we'll see. I
Okay.
also don't remember how it's implemented, to be honest with you.
Okay, so remove. It was which ticket? This one, right? Remove other sign-in methods. No. Okay, this one. Other sign-in methods. And change title to lead. Yeah, this is gonna be collaboration, by the way, with a different so team members. Is it so the rest looks fine? Yeah,
Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, let's save it and let's assign this one as well. And yeah, I think we should go to for a break. I hope.
Okay. Yeah.
We're not holding some people. Yeah.
Can I take this ticket, Kai?
Okay, I'm on tour, right?
Yeah.
Wow, guys, your tickets is becoming easier and easier.
Yeah. Victor and others guys. So as I mentioned, our internship is not about the complex stuff, right? Our internship more like a collaboration, how to work in the team. You know, later. I hope you will not have conflicts. You know, like not Git conflicts. I mean, like team conflicts. If you do, write it down somewhere. Maybe you can share it in the interviews. You know, like. But I'm just telling you guys. So that's the point. You know, that's the real point here.
Yeah, that project actually it's not really complicated except Redux. We already did something like this, yeah.
Okay, that's good. I will also yeah, we will be using Redux with Toolkit, guys. It's like a more like extension for the Redux. So I will show you quickly how we will be using so that you can get started. Yeah, so here for the integration, I think who has no ticket now? So Ayan, Victor, I think don't have ticket.
I have already.
Yeah, Victor and
Oh sorry.
Victor and
Sorry.
Karina get this implement. Yeah, so I will assign to somebody. So Victor, and then maybe to add, so we can create subtask, subticket.
Okay.
This connect Firebase, it should be
Yeah.
straightforward, I believe. But yeah, guys, here you see child tickets. I would encourage everybody to watch that Firebase and learn a bit. What is it? Why use it? Yeah. Yeah, but this one, who has still no tickets?
Ayan,
Yes, Ayan don't have any tickets. And Kai, you don't have tickets as well?
Yeah, I don't have it.
Yeah.
I'm on tour as well.
We can work together with Kaizen with one ticket. We're
there is 4 of them. No, I mean 3.
it's like 4
Only.
people already.
No, I
on
mean
tour.
the sub tickets.
Ah,
Three-
sub
3 of
tickets.
them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
But
don't
this-
mind any ticket.
But that's actually
Okay, so I'm going to learn and what is it? Learn
and somebody will create a project.
to learn and present Firebase.
Easy part of.
Yeah, but yeah, I can add you here.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, we can.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, thank you. Okay.
Someone can test the authentication.
Yeah, is Ayan here? I don't see name.
Yeah, she's here.
I need your help, of course, then later.
Oh, sorry, it's Ayana, yeah. Sorry.
So yeah, she said that she doesn't mind any ticket.
Oh,
I think it's not IY. Yes, this one, I think, yes.
And setup, I can take this one. Okay. And yeah, we can.
and Amantur on the left.
So no, Amantur has a ticket.
Oh, yes.
But you can give it, it looks like child ticket, yeah.
So yeah, this is child ticket. But yeah, so yeah, I think on this Firebase, everybody have to do this.
Yeah.
So try to do the Firebase. So yeah, so everybody has to practice on this. But
We actually did some project with Azomat on Firebase.
yeah,
Yeah, that's good.
so
Oh, Said, can we take some tickets from the second sprint?
Yes, this I mentioned, it's you can take. If you're out of ticket, don't wait until the next sprint, like 2 weeks. You know?
2 weeks, I mean.
Yeah, always be initiative, guys. Take whatever you feel comfortable.
and also maybe so maybe we can, for example, when we start working, so we can maybe come up with an idea, for example, dashboard related to make it something into it, some new features. So maybe we can create new tickets, right? So if we have any ideas what to do.
What was the dashboard? Oh, just for, yeah, we can make it look more better, you know. It
Yeah,
looks ugly,
exactly.
to be honest.
Okay, we will
Like
use
2000s application, you know.
we will go
Yeah, you can add like a chat on Facebook chat in the dashboard. I'm just kidding. Yeah, let's not overcomplicate, right? Yeah, so let's.
And yeah,
But that's a good goal. You can think of
Oh,
maybe
we can
some other
add
stuff.
comments or chat.
Yeah, I was just joking. I think that will be a bit complex. I think let's not add it.
No, we will try.
Yeah, the next tickets are you can take, guys, once you finish it.
yeah, I think
Like listing.
everybody can start looking on the next ticket, an idea.
No,
So-
before we need to finish the first ones.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, before, but when you are not working on this, you can start looking at that, but don't take it for now. But when you are done with that, we can take new tickets.
We will discuss next tomorrow.
Yep.
Okay, so I think we have more or less some stuff to do. Let's take a short break, guys. I know some people are angry at the moment, maybe, Yeah, let's give everyone
Okay.
like 10 minutes, and after
Okay.
that, after that we will discuss conflicts, guys, how to resolve, like what situations you will have conflicts, right? Because you will have conflicts for sure. Like we'll see how to avoid it, if possible. And also, if we have time, I will show you the Redux toolkit that we will be using. Yeah, so let's take a 10 minutes break then.
Okay.
See you guys. Okay, so let's quickly review, guys. What is a Git conflict and when do you have Git conflicts and how to avoid it? Yeah. So now you guys, yes.
So I have just so the suggestion before we're going forward on the ticket. So this ticket related to dashboard, it looks like it has 3 different components, so drivers, issues, and something else. So we would so be able to split it. So yeah, I can create subtask for that. For example, drivers, and another subtask issues.
Actually, it's sorry for interrupting. It's we can make it a single, I believe, because the API is the same for everything. So let me just quickly show how this dashboard API looks like. Yeah, where is the? Yeah, so here. So yeah, so for example, if you open the, let me show the dashboard API. Okay, let's give it one more time. Yeah, looks like it hasn't been active for a while. Wait. Is it this one? Give me a second. Let me check if I'm using the right API. Okay, it's API/dashboard. Okay, let me see why. Oops, not this one. Okay, this is good, not good. Why? Yeah, maybe this URL, the wrong one. Oh, no, this is good. Sorry, where is it? Okay, this one is working. Wonder why this not. Maybe there's no API here. Wait, sorry about that. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Sorry about that. Let me check quickly in my code, so I will see it too. Okay, where's the? Okay, we can also check our documentation, right? Yeah, where is the documentation? Let me check it. Yeah, this one. Okay, dashboard is not here. Yeah, dashboard should contain something like okay, it's not in here. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. So
Data in dashboard endpoint, yeah, because it has 3 different drivers, issues, and something else.
Yeah, it should have, yes, where is the notice? Please. Okay. Okay, yeah, maybe I have removed it somehow. Yeah, let me add it to myself at the note. Okay, so let me do that quickly. Sorry about that. Yeah, but basically what this dashboard API will return, it will return something like an object. So there will be like drivers and some number, you know, like yeah, drivers, for example, and there will be another object. Yeah, and it will be like active, some number, you know, and archived some number. Yeah, this dashboard will return everything, like all the issues, all the drivers, vehicle, like the numbers, I mean. So if you use one endpoint and you draw everything, you can use one component, yeah, like 3 components, and use the same endpoint. Yeah, however you like. But Kai, that's also a good option if you want to split it. Like you can do that as well. I don't mind.
Yeah, in that case, they can create one fetch data and
Mhm.
separate into 2 different. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how to. But yeah, that was an idea. But I didn't know that they have only one endpoint. I thought it's 3 different endpoints.
It should be one single endpoint. Okay.
Okay, then yeah, then.
Good. Okay, guys. So let's quickly review. Okay, so let me open up my presentation here. Okay, so we will be doing some demo as well, guys. If you want to follow, you're more than welcome. So basically, let's quickly review, guys, what is the Git conflict. So if you don't know, guys, Git conflicts, they occur when 2 or more people make some changes to the same file at the same time. Okay, so for example, if you are working in this login sign-in functionality, right, and 2 of you made the same changes on the same file, you might get the Git conflict, okay? And you need to know how to resolve it, okay? Otherwise, you will not be able to merge into the main. Okay, and they happen when merging branches or pulling changes from remote repository, rebasing, applying stash, etc. Yeah, this is another scenario. You will also get a Git conflict when you try to pull the changes, okay? So for example, when you are in the main branch, and you have some uncommitted changes, right? So first thing first, you have to make sure that before doing git pull, you either stash the changes from the main branch or I don't know, create a feature branch and commit it there, okay? Otherwise, if you pull and on the remote, there's already change in some of the files, you'll get a git conflict, okay? And also when you do the rebasing and applying the stashes as well. So this is also important. And I have a quick question here, guys. Do you know what is the rebasing? Anybody knows?
It's same kind of like a merge. Yep. I don't know.
Yes, yes, it is. And do you know
But I
what are
don't
the
know what's the
difference?
difference.
Anyone else?
Yeah, so based on when we have a different versions, latest and older version, and we are trying to sync them up. So main branch, for example, is a feature branch.
Yeah, that's good point. And Kai, I can also do a git merge, right? And I can also do a git rebase. Do you know the difference? Why I should choose one over another?
I believe rebase was easier than merge, as I remember.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, so we'll also guys see what are the differences, yeah? Okay, and so here there's some stuff that came to my mind, how you should, like the cases, how to avoid conflicts, yeah? So if you follow some of these, you should get less conflicts. Yeah, because at the end of the day, it can save you a lot of time. Okay, and so one of them was the frequent pull and pushes. So this is really important, guys. So make sure, yeah, this is a morning routine for developer usually. So whenever developer sits in the morning, he goes to the main branch and does the git pull. You know, because over a day, if you're working in a team, there'll be a lot of merges into the main or into some other branches, and you have to make sure that you have fresh main branch or develop branch. Okay.
But how to push all these changes to your feature branch? Like,
Yeah, so you can use git stash, or you can also create a branch from your main, commit it, and go back to the main branch.
I mean,
Okay.
you have the feature branch and the main. You pull all the new features and the changes to the main branch, but
Yeah, so
your feature branch is still like the same as like yesterday.
yes, exactly. That's a good question. You have two options. You can either do a git merge. Yeah, you can say git merge main into the feature branch, right? And you can also do git rebase. So I will show you the difference.
Oh, you
in a
just
bit.
merge the main to the feature, right?
Yes.
Okay. But the
Yes. So
changes on a feature branch will the same. They will like combine together, right?
yes, if there are no conflicts.
No
Right.
overriding. Oh, okay.
Yes,
got it.
exactly. So yeah, so at that point there are two options as I mentioned. You can either rebase or git merge. Okay. So and another point, guys, is small atomic commits. Yeah, or what I mean is easier, like what I mean is by this, guys, your commit should do a specific work. Okay, so for example, if you are changing the login functionality and committing like a sign up functionality, it does not make sense, right? So it should do one thing at a time, and it should do it as small as possible, because later on it will help you to track the changes and resolve the conflicts if they arise. Okay, so this is important, guys. So I would say I don't remember, but there was a suggested or best practice for each commit, like how many changes it should contain, but I don't remember that, but the less the better. Okay, so that's my suggestion for you guys. Also, these feature branches, so whenever you are working on, please make sure you create a new branch, okay? So for example, from our internship project, you can use the ticket name as your branch name. Okay, if that sounds good. So you can say KAN-17. Yeah, so that will be your branch name. Okay, and also the communication and coordination. So this is, I think there's no point to, yeah, so I think it tells what it's written. So just communicate, guys. So you can mention in the channel, like maybe you are working on something. Yeah, so just communicate and also do code reviews. So because in the code reviews, guys, you can see what are the people changing, yeah, and you can quickly identify the potential conflicts. So this is also good. Like in the code reviews, usually 1 or 2 people give a review, but if you want to, you can also do. There's no any limitation there. And it's also good for you guys because you learn something new, right? And yeah, this is comes from the first point, I believe. Yeah, so it's merging frequently. So what I mean by that is whenever you are in the feature branch, yeah, so let's say you are working on your branch and it took some time for you, right? Let's say 4, even 5 days, yeah, and you still like haven't pulled any change from the main. You see, guys, so let's say here, this is a time, okay? Oh, sorry. Okay, let me quickly show it here. Okay. So here, you see, guys, so let's say I'm on the main branch and I have created this login functionality, right? Or feature branch, let's say, and I have created like 2 commits. And let's say that I'm still working on this and the time is passing, right? So you see, there could be situations when you are ahead of main branch, but there could be also a situation when you are behind. Like, for example, this. You see? So like what I mean by that is your team is working, right? They are like moving really fast, let's say, and you are really behind. So what you want to do is you want to merge or rebase the main branch as soon as you can, right? So because later on, if you merge your login to the main branch, you might have a lot of conflicts, right? Or you can be a situation when you are working on some file, but it could already be removed in some of the commits in the main branch. Okay, that's why merge or rebase frequently. Okay, because if you do that, you will kind of be in this situation, right? So everything will come. Yeah, so you'll be like in this kind of situation. So this is the state you want to have. Yeah, so always stay up to date. That's the main point here. Okay. Okay, so I hope this gives you some like overview. So let's quickly see how we can. Yeah, we will be just simulating, guys. Okay. Here, for that, I will be just using this Git repository. So it's just a repository, guys. So here, yeah, it's so what I'm gonna do, let me open my terminal. Okay, where is my terminal? Okay. Okay, so you see, guys, I'm on my main branch at the moment. I'm just gonna make sure I'm up to date. Yeah, all good. Okay, so here, let's create a new branch. I will say login. Oh, sorry. So I'll say git checkout -b. It will create and do the checkout for me. Okay, I don't have to type 2 separate commands. So now in my login branch, I'm gonna create some file. Okay, I'll just say login.js6, let's say. Okay, so here, I'm just gonna quickly add some component, yeah, function, I mean, sorry. Okay, and then I will say, Sorry?
Can you zoom your VS Code, please?
Okay, is this good?
If you can. Yeah, it's good. Thank you.
Okay, sorry. I changed my monitor actually. Yeah, it's speak monitor, and I hope you can see that. Okay, so now you see, guys, I created my, let's say, function, and I'm just gonna return something, right? So I'll just say return something like login. Okay, so this is just the login functionality, and what I'm gonna do, I will just say get status, and let me commit it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna say edit login component, let's say. Good, so I think that should be straightforward, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna push it to the GitHub. What? Why it wants to connect? I don't know. Okay, give me 1 second, please. It's weird, it shouldn't actually ask. But let me do just in case. 83870. Good. Good. So, yes, here you see, guys, I have my branch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my pull request, right? So I'll just create my pull request. That's it. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, I can go ahead and I can go ahead and merge it, right? So, but let's say that, yeah, so here, guys, I have created a pull request, and let's say that before merging, I kind of have to do something else, or I'm a bit busy. Yeah, I cannot, like, I'm too busy to merge it, let's say, or there was some review that I have to work on, right? So, and meanwhile, let's say that your colleague, yeah, so let's say your colleague is on the main branch. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back. Yes, and obviously I don't have this login file, right? And let's say that your colleague wanted to add something to the login functionality, but he discovered there was no any login component, right? So, and what he's gonna do, he will just go ahead and create another, like a new one, right? So let me create a new branch. I will say add Facebook login. Okay, so he's on his branch, and what he is gonna do is he will create another component. Okay, so yeah, he will do kind of the same login, and I'll say the same export default login, right? And it's gonna return each one login with Facebook. You see, guys, this second person, right? So he was like really fast. Yeah, he's like really light of the speed. He's like a 10x developer, right? So he'll say added Facebook login, and he'll do the push again. You see? Yeah, so, and yeah, so let's open the pull request again. So here I'm just gonna open. You see, guys, here, because this first pull request was not merged. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and merge it quickly for you. Okay, so let's say I merged it, and now let's check out this first guy. Okay, Okay, yeah, sorry, it's not merged yet. It's not merged yet. Yeah, so sorry, let me merge it now. Good. And voila, yes, you see on the left now. So what just happened is Git has disabled this login merge with button, and you have this option now, resolve conflict. You can either resolve the conflict on this GitHub, or you can do it on your local terminal. Okay, so first let me show it how to do it locally. Okay, so if you remember, guys, this login branch, I'm just gonna check out to that branch. Git checkout login. Yeah. So now, if you remember, guys, what just happened is this has happened. Okay, so let me quick show it this picture. Okay, so this has just happened. So this is login, and this is login. What was that? With Facebook, let me say. Okay, so what just happened, guys? Here also, let me say this is the A, like B commit, and this is C commit. Okay, so here, so we have just seen that I created a new branch, a new two feature branch from the main, and but this guy was quick enough, he merged it already. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna move it to here. Okay, so now this guy is here, but the situation with the first person is developer is, you see, guys, he's behind. Okay, so if you remember, what I told you is you have to pull frequently or merge frequently. Yeah. So now, let's say that this person just woke up in another day. Okay, and now he wants to pull all his like all the changes from the main branch. Okay, and what do you think, guys? What will happen if I try to pull the main into my login branch? What do you think? Okay, let me open this way. The situation is I'm on my login branch, right? And I want to do the git pull from my main branch. Right, so
yes.
Yes, so guys, as you may guess, I hope there'll be a git conflict, right? So the same way here. So for that, let me do that first. Git checkout the main. I'm gonna pull my main branch, and it should work, right? And I already have my login like component. Okay, but let me check out my login branch, which I created earlier. Yeah, so you see, I have my login component, but it doesn't have this Facebook, right? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna merge my main branch into my login branch. Okay, that way I'm trying to keep up to date, right? So I'm trying to make these two branches up to date. So what I'm trying to do is basically I'm trying to do this, right? So I'm just trying to do this situation. So but as you may guess, I will have a conflict, right? So let me do that. So I'll just say git merge main. You see, guys, I have a conflict. So, and if you are using the VS Code, you'll have this kind of view. Okay, so let me just close it. If you open it, see, guys, you'll have this view, and there's some options you can do. You can choose. So the first one is the accept current change. The current change means that your current change in your feature branch, right? And if you remember, what was in your feature branch? It was just the login, right? This is the current change, which is in green. The second option is you can choose or accept the incoming change. Okay, the incoming change, if you remember, it was this login with Facebook, right? Because the second developer was quick enough. He was already merged his change into the main. And when I do git pull, this is the guy that is trying to merge, right? So, which is going to call an incoming change. So, or the third option is I can accept both changes, right? So, and there's no like right or false answer here, guys. It totally depends on the situation. Okay, but you can choose any of these, but in the end of the day is you have to make a decision, right? So either you accept either you apply your change or apply the change from the main branch, yeah, or you do both. So in our case, we will accept the incoming change. Okay, let me click on that. And as you can see, guys, it worked like this. Okay, so what I did is I just accepted the incoming change from the main, and I have this text now. Okay, look at this, guys. If you want to do the same resolve conflict on the GitHub, you can click on this button, and it will show you the same page, guys, if you check out. Okay, do you remember this is the current change, your change, and this is the incoming change from the main branch. You see, it's also put here the branch name, and this is the branch name. Okay, so you can either choose one over another. So in our case, we said that we want to accept the incoming change from the main branch. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove manually like this. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on this mark as resolved, and this should do the trick. Okay, does it make sense, guys? Please let me know.
Yeah, but Said, if I wanna, if I have this conflict, but I wanna find that branch, I mean, I have a conflict with some of branch. How to find that one branch? Just
Oh, you
I
want
wanna
to
just
find
say,
the
hey, you
branch.
did it the wrong thing. Like you did the same thing. Please change. If I don't wanna change, if I wanna ask him how to find that branch.
So that's a good question. So if you have a conflict, you'll have something like that. And as I mentioned, the incoming change will have the branch name here, right? So here or
He already merged it, but I wanna find.
yeah, that's a good point. So let me think about it. So yeah, so let's try to git log. Yeah, so it's not here. Yeah, so Vector, what I would suggest is just go to the login, like go to that file that has a conflict, right? And then just check out the history on this branch. History here. Okay, or you can also do the git blame if you want. So here you see, so the git blame, it will show you the person who did this change. Okay, so you can find out here.
I see. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, but this is a good question.
I think
Yes.
in this case, I don't know, in company can just text in chat. I don't know, just to find out.
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, you can use the git blame, or you can use the git history here. Okay, and it will show a list of history, and you can yeah, so there's some options you can choose here. Hope it answers the question. But anybody else, guys? Anybody has any questions?
Just to confirm that, so we need to make sure that we are only to main branch, right? So we are not doing
Exactly.
The feature branch. We are only merging it, right? From
yes, exactly. Yeah, that's a good point as well. Like you want to pull the main branch, right? Because
If you so git pull to the feature branch.
Git pull to the feature branch. Yeah, it depends, Kai, as well. Like it can be a situation, right, when you create a feature branch and you create some branches out of feature branch as well, you know? This can happen when you're working on some really big task, okay? And you want to split it, right? So let's say this is a feature branch and this is a feature 1, right? And then this feature 2, okay? This is feature 3, and this feature is actually comes from the main branch, right? So this is also a common case, guys. So when you are already in your feature branch, but you have some other feature branch out of your feature branch, you know, and it can go like a tree, you know. It totally depends. But if you're in this situation, you want to pull the feature branch first, right? Because otherwise, if you're on the feature 1 branch and then pull automatically from your main branch, right? You might have an issue right later because there's a guy in the middle, so he should be aware of the changes. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So yes, here, as we mentioned, guys, we will be choosing this login with Facebook. So what I can do is first let's finish. Yeah, let's use this VS Code functionality first. Yeah. So I'm just gonna accept incoming change. Yeah. Oh, before doing that, I want to show this button as well, guys. If you have on the VS Code, if you click on this, it will show side by side, guys. Like you see. So this is the incoming change, and this is my current change. You see, you can like compare and choose which one you want. You see here, there's a button, accept all changes from left or accept all changes from right. You see, so this is another good example. So in our case, we will choose the left one, right? So I'm gonna click. Yeah, so this is our result. Yeah, and I'm gonna complete the merge. Yeah, so here I'm just gonna click on commit, or you can also use a terminal. Yeah, so you can say git merge continue, right? Or you can just click on commit button here. I'm just gonna click commit button, doesn't really matter. And now if I do git status, you see guys, I don't have any changes, right? And I have this login with Facebook now. And I'm just gonna push my branch. Yeah, so now let's check out this guy. Okay, what will happen? You see guys, there is no any changes now. Okay, it kind of makes sense, right guys? Because if I accepted the incoming change from my branch, from main branch, I will not have any changes, right? So that's why 0 changes here. I hope it makes sense. And now I'm just gonna finish this with some other changes. For example, I can say, yeah, so here, let me say, welcome to login page. Oh, sorry, I need to have some fragment. Good, so I'll just complete my task here. Git add, git commit, finish the login, and let me push. Yeah, now if I refresh my page, yes, I should have some changes. Cool. I can go ahead and merge it. Yes. And we can just verify it, and everything is here. Any questions?
Yeah, so Said, if we, so as a developer, can we do a resolve by our own, or somebody else, I don't know, tech lead or somebody else have to resolve this?
No, ideally you should do it. Okay, because think about
what to decide, this code or another code.
Yes, you should know it, right? So, like because when you make a pull request, you are doing some intention. You're saying that, hey, I have an intention to merge my change into the main branch, right? That's the main purpose of pull request. So at least you should be aware of what changes you're trying to merge, right? And there could be a situation when your tech lead maybe is not aware of this change, okay, and he doesn't really know, right, what to merge. So in that case, you are the responsible. And if you don't know how to conflict or how to resolve and merge the conflict, you ask the tech lead. Yeah, you say tech lead, hey, I'm trying to merge this, but I don't know what. Okay, and then you will just go line by line. Okay, he will ask maybe, do you need this change or this change? And you say, oh, actually, I want this change because I want a blah, blah, blah. Right? So that's the, Mhm.
So yeah, in this case, important thing is, so don't remove the code from the main, right? Just keep it and then make sure to add your part.
Yes, exactly. Okay, because when you try to create a pull request and you modify the main branch, right? Remove the main branch. Usually it should be the way around, right? It should be the opposite. Your change added to the main branch, not the opposite. So yeah, that's it. Good. So this was about the Git conflict, guys, and as I mentioned, this was the example when you try to merge, right? When you try to create a pull request and merge the main. But as I mentioned, there could be situations when you try to pull and you have a conflict as well. So yeah, let me just show that quickly. So here, what I'm gonna do, let me check out to the main branch. Cool. So, and in the main branch, so what I'm gonna do is, let's say I have some uncommitted changes. Oh, before that, let me just pull my stuff from the GitHub. Okay, so here's my latest. And here, let me say I have some changes, like maybe some input, right? So I will say ID as an email, right? So the name, email, and I have some button and some password. Let's see. Good. So this is good. Okay, so now actually I have to first merge it, right? So this is what I'm gonna do, guys. Sorry. So I will first, let's say I will create a branch, right? I will say add inputs to login page. Okay, and I'm just gonna add this quickly. Okay, so I will use this UI now, guys. I just want to show how to use it as well. Like, yeah, here yeah, when you click on plus, it means git add, right? So, and then I'm just gonna write some message, edit, login input fields. Okay, let me push, commit and push. Click OK. So I'm gonna quickly merge it. Yeah, so let me create a pull request, merge this guy. Bam, okay. So here, if you go to my main branch, yeah, so login is looking good. But, okay, so let me say that I'm on my main branch now. Okay, I don't have any changes. And let's say that I have added some stuff here. Okay, so I'll say button login. Okay, so now if I try to pull, guys, what do you think will happen? There will be a conflict, right? So let me show you that. Okay, so I'll say, so if I show the git status first, and if I do git pull, just check it, guys. Yes, you see, your local changes to the following files will be overwritten by merge. Please commit the changes, test them. Or in this case, it even aborted. Okay, it even canceled the merge. That's even bad. Like, yeah, that's even really bad, because you guys here, you see, it's telling you either have to commit or stash. Okay, here it can also erase a conflict, guys. So the same way we had before. Like, do you remember, guys? It was something like, yeah, I don't. Yeah, previously, guys, if you remember, there was some message conflict, blah blah blah. This is also kind of the same, but this one is even worse. Yeah, so because here it's telling me it cannot merge it, right? So here I have to, let's say, if you don't know, guys, what this stash means, it will temporarily keep my changes. Okay, think of this as a as of your pocket. Yes, so what I'm doing is I'm just saying, hey, go ahead and stash my changes into my pocket, let's say. You see? It's not actually doing any commits. Check out this, guys. If I do git log, you see, I don't have any commits, right? So it's just putting my this change into some temporary place, okay, into my pocket, let's say. And now what I can do is I can just say git pull, yes, and it's working fine. And now let's say that later on I want to bring that my change out of my pocket. Okay, how I do is I do git stash pop. So you do git stash to put your changes into your pocket, and you do git stash pop to apply those changes from your pocket into your main branch. So now check out, guys, if I do that, you see I have a conflict again, right? So now I have to decide again what I want to do. Either I want to keep my current change, or I want to add my, the current change, or the my incoming change, right, from my pocket, git stash pocket. Okay, so it depends, guys. It depends on the situation, right? So I can, in this situation, let me say that I wanna choose the incoming change. Okay, so I'll say incoming change once again, and okay. It should be good. So if I do git status, it should be good. I can now do add, and it should be green. Cool. Okay, and now it depends on this what you want to do, guys. You can either create a new feature branch, right? Or yeah, that's the only option. Never, guys, never push directly to your main branch, okay? Always use some feature branch to merge it, to merge your changes into the main branch, okay? That's the main rule. But I don't know, guys, do we have such restriction in our repository at the moment? Anybody knows? Can someone push changes to main branch directly?
Not sure.
I don't know.
Yeah, because
No,
we
not sure.
Mhm.
I don't know how to set it up.
Okay, yeah, I think you can do that in the settings. Yes, it was here.
It's under the rules, maybe.
Okay, let me set.
It's all the way in the bottom, yeah. Then there is
Oh,
some
okay,
rules.
okay, here, guys, yeah. You see, yes, this is really important. Force pushes, and you can also restrict some of stuff, right? Require a pull request before merging. Yeah, this is the guy. So if you enable this,
But
we
we
want-
enable
okay,
it,
what?
but
Oh,
it doesn't work. I
Yeah,
don't
we
know why.
wanted to do that, but it's now only it's a paid version, so it's available only on paid,
okay, okay,
not
okay, yeah.
yeah. Because a few months ago it was available even for free versions, but I checked it. It was only for paid versions.
I thought GitHub is free, like
Yeah, if you
Yeah.
wanna use so rules, you have to pay. You have to
uh,
for paid version.
Okay,
I thought
okay.
it's like a Linux, you know, like all for free.
Yeah, not always. You have to make some money. So.
They first give it for free, and when you are so addicted, they will.
I will switch to GitLab.
Yeah, GitLab, or you can use a Git. What was that? The other one? Bitbucket. Bitbucket.
Yeah, I know that many people were started using the GitLab.
Mhm.
So
Cool.
Same as GitHub.
Yeah, so yeah, this is usually people enforce it, yeah, so you cannot directly merge, and that's the good thing. So because
nobody do the force merge.
yes, do you know, guys, what is a force merge?
Yeah, you just overwrite
Force
everything.
push.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is really bad as well. Like
Is it from main to main, right? Local main to remote main, or so what is it force?
force is it means for example so let's say this is your situation, let's say, okay, and by force what I can do is I can say, for example, so I can say, for example, yeah, one situation is I can pull something from my main branch and apply it somewhere in the middle, like not this way. I can say like this, like do some crazy stuff, you know. Ideally, GitHub, like Git and GitHub will not allow this. Like they should all be like sequential, right? But you can always like force something. Right? You can say, "Hey, GitHub, I'm the boss. I will do everything what I can do. I will, yeah." So and you will forcefully push changes to the GitHub. Okay, so this is the way you can do that. So how to do that is you can say git push origin -f. Okay, so this is a feature. This is a flag which does that, and ideally you don't want this, right? Because you will mess up with your history, right? So So that's why like this should be really be used with cautious, and you should only use it in your feature branch if you want, right? Okay.
Okay.
Cool, guys. Once again, I know when I'm doing it, kind of looks easy, right? But when you start working, guys, if you have a conflict, don't panic, okay? Just take a deep breath and just read what the GitHub is saying, okay? What the Git is saying to you. And open the file that has conflict and choose this one, okay? So as I mentioned, the grid one is your current change, and the blue one, like the stuff after this equal signs, the incoming changes, okay? And just decide what you want to do, okay? And choose one over another and continue.
Said, do we
Cool.
need to delete
So
the feature branches after the merging to the
not
main?
really. Not really. It's
Like
also optional.
if we did like a lot of stuff and you will have like 10 or even more branches, yeah?
Mhm.
I mean on local.
Oh, on local, okay. On local, you can leave it, I would say, like, you know. Just, yeah, it depends, Sultan. Like, if you want to, like, for example, later on create the same branch with the same name, okay, you can delete it. But on the same note, if you try to push the same branch into the GitHub and in the GitHub you did not delete the branch there, you'll have an issue, right? So you should either do it locally and on GitHub, or don't do it on locally on GitHub, okay?
But
so if you choose here, you can also have a setting, you know? You can say whenever the pull branch, whenever a pull request is deleted or merged, it will kind of automatically delete it. Okay, in by default, it's optional, you see?
But
So,
in real world, do you delete them or just leave
no,
them?
I just leave them with, yeah, in real world,
You
in
have
my
like
experience,
10,
most of the time, I don't, yes.
Okay. You have like 10 or 15 branches.
Yes, I do. So I can even show you, my, do you want to, do you want to see my,
Yes.
let me show you. Yeah, let me show you guys. Oh, sorry. See?
Oh.
Yeah, these are all my local
That's a lot.
branches. Yeah, that stuff I have worked on, you see, guys.
Because I
Yeah.
tried to delete my own feature branch, but it didn't work. So that was the reason I'm asking.
Oh.
It was
Okay,
it
I
was
don't
saying
know.
me that that's in use, and I don't know.
Okay, yeah.
But I already merged it.
Different from main or from different branch. You can delete
Mhm.
when you are in that feature branch.
What?
You need to so delete out. So you need to get out of that branch and then delete from.
Yeah, I did it. Yeah, maybe, but I'll
Yeah,
not try.
that could be.
Okay.
Yeah, that could be because you cannot delete the branch if you are on that branch. You know, you have to check out first.
Maybe, yeah. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Let me go to my notes.
Say it in your, for example, in your job. So so what are the rules, the merge rules? So what kind of merge rules do you have? For example, how many developers should approve, or what you need to approve, and who merge it, or it automatically merges, or somebody else merge?
Yes, we have a couple, multiple, so we require at least 2 approvals. And also we have tests, you know, so tests should pass. So we have this another additional. Kai, I think you should know, right? That on the project there's a so-called unit test, right? So we check that everything is green, everything passes. Yeah, and also after that, we also have end-to-end tests. Like, you know, it's integration tests. Yeah, I have from mine, yeah, out of mind, I think these are the stuff that we have. Yes.
Do you
Sorry?
also retesting to merge? Or this is E2E?
Yeah, this is the stuff. We don't have manual testing. We just have auto test.
Okay, that's E2E. Yeah.
Yeah, end to end. Yeah, this is the. Yeah, and usually these integration tests are maintained by the SDET or QA people. And yeah,
Okay, it's gonna automatically run when you're
exactly. Yes.
doing-
And this test is maintained by the developers, by by front end or back end developers, and this one is maintained by the QA or SDET. Cool. That's it, guys. I don't want to make it too complex. So next time, guys, we'll discuss more deep, like emergent rebase, I believe. I don't want to make you guys bring another big topic today. Okay, we will discuss like when you merge, when you rebase, and why we need the rebase at all. Okay. Cool. So let me see. I think we should be good for today, guys. If you don't have anything, do you have anything you want to discuss?
Said I was trying to build that API, which is
Yes.
information. It doesn't work in my computer.
Which endpoint are you trying to use?
It's API, which is related to dashboard. Let
Oh
me
yeah, dashboard. As I mentioned, I will check that. I have written a note myself.
Oh, really?
Yeah, sorry about that. Yes, I will check it. Particularly the dashboard. Okay, so I think you're kind of blocked, Vector, at the moment. Sorry about that. I will check it and I will let you know on the Slack.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, this endpoint, I might have deleted accidentally, I think. So I will have to double check. Okay.
Yeah, I got it. I will wait.
Yeah, I should be like I will like let you know like later today or tomorrow morning. Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
So Said, I have a question
Yes.
related to the versions. So I see so we have React 17 now. Can we upgrade it to, for example, React 18?
Yeah, so we will see, guys. So because we have time constraints, like so we have some stuff to do as well. We will see at the end if we have enough time. We have some extra time, maybe at the end we will do the upgrade. But for now, don't bother. Like there are some changes, but we will not be using those new changes in our project.
Okay, just to know, because it's gonna be one of the real kind of projects to change the
Yeah.
versions, but it looks so easy, but it's kind of complicated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the one of the reason, guys. We are where is it? We are asking you to use Node version 16.20. You know, otherwise there is some stuff, there is some errors you'll get. You know, something like this. Yeah. So even though it looks easy, like changing one file, maybe like you know, in the package.json you update this version, but it requires some.
I think it will lead with incompatibility with other stuff.
Yeah, see you have to update some other stuff, maybe like because they're all kind of dependent on each other, you know, and we don't have that much time, fortunately. But yeah, I would say don't bother for now. So because we will not be using that new stuff anyway for now.
Oh, what is the Krakow, by the way? I had some problems with the Krakow.
Yeah, Krakow is the server. Like
Mm. Okay.
mhm. So yes, here let me see what version we are using. Yeah, see here when you do yarn start under the hood, this command will run.
Oh,
see?
it's like some kind of a builder, like a Vite.
Kinda, yeah.
It's
Because
bullshit.
yeah, exactly. So because if you open your like other React applications, it's like npm start, I believe, or something else here by default. In this project, we'll be using this Krakow.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Cool. I think we should be good for today, guys. If you don't have any questions, please continue your work, okay?
Yeah.
And
Great.
if there are any questions, blockers, just write in the channel. I will try to respond as soon as I can.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you for the
and
class.
Okay,
Bye.
thank you.
yeah,
And can you please unclose this Zoom, please?
don't close. Okay.
Yeah, just yeah,
Mhm.
you can hand over the